I'm Laia, welcome back to my channel. In today's beginner tutorial, I will share with you how to crochet a winter beanie hat in an easy way. If you are interested in the flag egg accessory, I will put a tutorial link in the description box. Okay, let's get started. First, we start with a chain stitch. Make a slip knot. Hold your hook, yarn over, pull through. This is chain stitch. It should look like braid. Keep crocheting chain stitch until the height of hat meets your expectation. Okay, I have 52 chain stitches already. Work 2 more chain stitches. Then we will work half double crochet in the row 1. For the half double crochet, yarn over, go through the third loop from the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out all the 3 loops. This is half double crochet. Yarn over, go through the next loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull out all the 3 loops. Keep doing the half double crochet in the row 1. For the row 2, 2 chain stitch to start row 2. Remember, every time you start a new row, have 2 chain stitches first, and these 2 chain stitch doesn't count into the total stitches. Okay, in the row 2, we still work on half double crochet, but we work on back loop only. Keep doing the half double crochet on the back loop only in the rest of rows. Add in the rows until your project fits your head measurement. Join the first and last row with a slip stitch. For the slip stitch, hold your hook, go through both 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through. Now have 2 loops on your hook. Pull the first loop through the second loop. This is slip stitch. Keep doing slip stitch. Okay, cut the yarn. You can hide the yarn tail with your hook like this. Or you have tapestry needle, that's better. Hide the yarn tail into your project. We almost finished. Seal the top of your hat tightly. Make a knot inside. Then color yarn. Okay, we finished. It's super easy, right? Start to crochet your hat right now. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.